A year ago, this video wasn't possible. Now it is. OpenAI just revealed Sora, an AI that can generate realistic videos from a simple text prompt, not clips, not animations, actual scenes. Sora is built on diffusion models, similar to how AI generates images, but extended across time. That means it doesn't just generate a frame, it understands motion, physics, lighting, and continuity. Objects stay consistent, scenes evolve naturally. That's the breakthrough. So what can Sora actually do? You can describe a cinematic scene in plain English, and Sora turns it into video. Camera movement, depth of field, environmental details, all generated without filming anything. This isn't just about visuals. Sora understands cause and effect. If a character runs, their environment reacts. If something breaks, it stays broken. That level of consistency is what separates demos from real tools. Right now, Sora is limited to select creators and researchers, but the implications are massive. Content creation, storyboarding, advertising, education, entire workflows could change. Sora doesn't replace filmmakers, it changes who gets to create. The barrier to visual storytelling just dropped dramatically. This isn't the end of video production. It's the start of something new.